What's going on, YouTube? So today I'm here to review these Jordans, alright? Jordan Maxin 200 white and gym red, alright? But just in case you guys are wondering, alright? I've not always wore Jordans. The first kicks that I ever paid for myself, because the ones that I used to wear before that were paid for by somebody else, but I didn't really like them. But the first ones that I had paid for myself were the Shaqs. 1996, School U, alright? Reeboks. I thought they were the dopest kicks in the world. You should lean up against the wall during break time, after class, chilling. And then after that, I started copying Jordans. Then more Jordans. And then more Jordans. And then this Jordan. Let's take a look at these kicks. Let's get right into it. Let's see what it looks like. Alright? And we're back, all right? So guys, the Jordan Maxin 200 white gym red. Let's not waste any time, let's get right into it, all right? And show you what this thing looks like. And in case you don't have these sneakers yet, they come in a box that looks just like this, all right? The sheet says 23 on it, all right? Let me give you guys a 360, all right? Alright guys, so let me give you guys a little bit of information about these Jordan Maxin 200s. As you guys know, the Jordan Maxins were designed after the Jordan 5s, okay? And everybody knows that the Jordan 5s are legendary, alright? At the same time, these kicks right here, it's got its own design to it, alright? It's made of all leather, okay? Patent leather, synthetic, and textile, right? As you can see, take a look at this tongue. This is leather, okay? It got these soles right here that I love so much. And the fact that I love it so much is because it's made of rubbers, right? It's so hard. And if you wear these kicks on the court, I guarantee you it'll give you good performance, all right? The high tops, okay, so they're gonna give you that extreme support and they lock your ankles in when you're about to jump on your feet. These are basketball sneakers, all right? So, therefore, they're made for, you know what I mean, jumping, moving, bouncing, things like that, all right? As you can see, the brand new Air Max unit that's on this is dope, you know what I mean? And I love that red bubble. I love that red bubble right there, you know what I mean? I also love this patent red, smooth leather, all right? These right here, I recommend them. It's Sky Dukes approved. I recommend it so much for anybody that's playing basketball. And even if you're not playing basketball, this is something that you can wear for fashion. On a regular day, wear it around or whatnot. You know, they're so clean, they're so smooth. The Jordans, they're so dope. You know what I'm saying? Like, and these go for 120 retail. All right. It really depends on where you're at too. You know what I mean? If you bought it online or whether you went to the store to buy it, or whether you had a discount on it, or it was on sale. You know what I mean? It depends. You know what I mean? So I could say between maybe 100 or maybe even 90. And 120, you know what I'm saying? It depends on where you're at, really, all right? I've not come to the end of my video, guys. Thank you for watching my video. If you're new at this channel, click that subscribe button, all right? And if you're not new, click that like button and click that share button. Thank you, everybody, for watching my video. And until next time, just maybe, I might see you with these on. Jumping, bouncing, or probably chilling, just like I do, you know what I'm saying? All right, thank you everybody again, And until next time, I'll see you guys later. One easy.